Right. That's why they are sleeping in the game today. Oh, little guy with the effort, but it doesn't even get there. He does not get any point. Oh, some decent time of game here. Some claps going on here. For who, I don't know. Because I am just focusing on my commentary. Focus on the game and Father game is the shot. I told you that this man is sleeping. He doesn't sleep at night. That's why now in the match he's trying to sleep. This is the second time he missed the shot. Some aggressive shown by Abdullah, but did not get any point. Actually, Team Dumail is coming back to the game now. They are doing pretty well in the last half, and maybe we're gonna see some nice game in the last half.
बहुत अच्छी जीता है नंबर चलेगा हाँ भाई मैं तो कुछ ग्रेट हूँ भाई चलो भाई कौन सी गाड़ी है चलो ठीक है आप करो बहुत अच्छी बात है बहुत अच्छी बात है
Time and Sultani Diamond is getting hot now, showing some aggressiveness in the game. Matter is solved by Intizamiya, so no need to worry. Here we go again. Oh, high again, but this time it doesn't get any point. Oh, Shani just smashed away. You know how to back in the game. You know very well. He is a very much pro player after Sultani. Oh. This little man has some great talent. He is a future pro player. Doing pretty well in the game. Mr. Danish here, coming right there and trying to climb up on the ball. And he succeeds. Now we're gonna back to the game. Oh, Zan, my man, with the points. Some decent games shown by Zan. Oh, this is the third time that Fateh does a mess. As I told you, he doesn't sleep at night. Just doing some party and stuff. That's why he is not in the game right now. Thai with the service. With the Thai of service. Oh, Abdullah is messing up now. Looks like he does. That's why he does out one. Oh. I just missed. What? This is not the man who misses the shots. But this time, he messed up. I don't know what type of services are these. Out ball. This is out ball, I think. Out ball, out ball. Lineman, this is out ball. In ball. Lineman is confused now. Mr. Tariq, he is the lineman. If cameraman can show you, he is right there. You can see. He is a pretty much good umpire, but today This is the out ball again. I don't know today what he is doing. We are back again in the game. Now we will start the commentary live. So as the commentator right there, they are in the commentary box. I am on the wall, commentary wall. Single break, but it doesn't matter because that commentator is having a glass of cold drink in his hand. I don't have any glass of water even, but I will continue my commentary. So keep watching. It seems like it is out ball. How come that the big man just enters the ground? He's too far from us. He is the pro player of volleyball of his age. Now he is the old man. He doesn't play volleyball. He takes the retirement, but he just came here to support these players and encourage them. He's watching in the camera.
पॉइंट की ट्रेनिंग पर भी मुकाबला जनाब ने सामने की आगे ना फाइनल नजीर कलाब.
So this is the match between Nazir Club Dumail and Shani Club Pind Sultani. We are seeing this live moments.
मोहम्मद इमरान साहब की इमरान बुक दीपू ने मालिक और
हुक्मदार
साडे को तशरीफ लेके आए जनाब ने बेहद मशकूर और ममनून.
All the girls are sitting here and enjoying the thrilling moments of match with 7-Up. No. If you zoom in, it seems like it is dew, Mountain Dew. Dar ke aage jeet hai. There are two bottles, I think. Yeah, one is dew and one is 7-Up, so I'm not wrong at all. My guess is always right. We're gonna back to match. Shani is there. Shani without ball. Oh, no, these are intensive moments of match. You don't have to be very aggressive. Just chill and play the game. You are already winning. You have more points, so why don't you lose? Why you are losing points? Match is in the last half. Last moments. I'm going to show you, this is the evening time. Sun is just setting. Only few time left. Shani here, but all in vain. I told you team Sultani is now so sleepy. They are tired because they don't sleep at night. In the first half, team Sultani is doing pretty well, but now they are not doing that good game. In the first half, the points are 18-3, 18 for Pind Sultani, but now I don't know. But it seems like Team Dumail is also sleeping. They have also same kind of and category of players. So in the both teams, we have legends like Fateh, like the legend Abdullah, like Tanai in the Dumail, and some more going on. We have Diamond here, out ball. I don't know why these two teams are doing now what they are doing, because they both are tired and it's not too interesting match now. Match is just slowed down. It's a one-sided match, totally. But if we can see these type of smashes, then the match will be interesting again. Shani just smashed away. Oh, now some aggressiveness by Zain. Diamond with the service. Abdullah here again. But this time Abdullah is not there and the little man is so confused. And the point goes to the male. Here you can see the men are sitting right there and watching live. So as the commentator says, the tournament is live, but actually you are seeing this recorded because live stream is not possible in Prince Sultan. Internet issues, zone issues, you know. We don't talk about other networks because they are even worse than Zong. But you can see recorded, it's the same quality. You're still gonna enjoying. Just grab a pack of Lays with a 7-Up or Mountain Dew and chill. Watch the whole match, whole video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel. Sasti promotion going on here. So now we will commenting again to the game. Let's see whose team is winning. My little man with the service. Sani is right there, but this time Diamond messes up. He doesn't get any point. So now this team are too close to each other because the points are 29-25. It looks like Sultani is 29 and Team the Male is 25. Fateh, first time he is doing the good job. Now he is not sleeping anymore because he is back in the game. Well tried by Shani, well tried, well played. Oh, Fateh with a zigzag shot. Now Fateh is doing pretty much good job, but he didn't get any point for the team. For now, actually. Oh, nice effort, but this legend just wastes his effort. That's why they are losing the game. Oh, it's so close. It's 28-29. It looks like Prince Sultani has 28 and the male has 29. So I was wrong back. Now I am right. Mr. Atasham legend is here. Just meeting some new people and trying to get this 7-Up, but some men are sitting right there, so he cannot, because when there is night, then he can grab one of them. For now he is waiting. Shani here and very good try, but again, oh, doesn't get any point here. Someone just says आराम ना बच्चे, बट ये टाइम आराम करने का नहीं है, ये टाइम है बाहर निकलने का, क्योंकि मैच आखिरी लम्हात में दाखिल हो चुका है. And Mr. Atasham trying to take a motorcycle with him, and there is Izraksha. He's leaving for Izraksha for motorcycle. Well done. leaving the ground and takes the motorcycle with him. Oh, Zan here. Oh, as I told you, Fatih is back in the game. Shani is playing some aggressive type of game now. Oh, it's the magic. Some magic happening here. By the eye of the man. My little man is showing some aggressiveness in the game. This man has some real talent. Oh, well done. Well done, bache. Good job. Shani is too aggressive, coming early to the opponents now. Fatih is also with him. He doesn't play a good game in the first half, but now he is showing his full potential. I think he saved his nerve for this time. And now he is using his full potential. Oh, Shani just smashed again. And gets the point here. As you see, Shani is playing and controlling the whole area right there. He's playing on the right side, he's playing on the left side. Oh, 30 all. Now it's the game ball. Some intense movement for the both teams because they do pretty well, and now the points are level, the game is level. Let's see who is winning. We're gonna see it live. Now it's the game ball and Shani is here.
जमाल स्वामी ने बहुत बड़े पुराने बुजुर्ग हस्तियों तो साढ़े टीचर तकरीबन 3 नस्ल पढ़ा मेहरबानी मुराद जनाब हबीब साहब
Habib Saab is there in the ground. You can see they are seeing the match and enjoying the match live. I appreciate that. I really appreciate that. Because they are appreciating the players. And now players are showing some good type of game. Because they are encouraged more. It's the final match between the male and Prince Sultani. We are seeing this live. I don't know how many points are left, but so now the plan is changed, the game is changed. It's not the game ball, they are saying when Azan is start, the match will be stopped. So we're gonna see it live until the Azan. Now enjoy the match. Hello, my fan here, my subscriber. He just got a free meetup. Oh, he's so happy now. It's his big day of his life.
ਇਹਦੇ ਦੌਰਾਨ ਜਨਾਬ ਸਾਡੇ ਕੋਲ ਅੱਜ ਦੇ ਮਹਿਮਾਨ ਨਵਾਜ਼ੇ ਨੇ ਖਾਲਦਾ ਵੀ ਕੁਝ ਲਾਇਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਜਿੱਦੇ ਹਰ ਮਸ਼ਹੂਰ ਮਾਮਲੋਂ
Muhammad Mansoor is here, sitting in front of his father with his father.